This is Mahli Bird. Despite being only 13, he has already risen to the height of 185.5 centimeters, and Mahli uses his height to be an elite ruckman. Mahli is such a beast because even though he has a big body, he still runs and takes bounces whenever he can. I mean, what ruckman does this? He is a natural around goals, averaging 1.09 goals a game. Just look at his marking ability. Mahli is a born ruckman because he is so smart with hitouts. He doesn't let his size go to waste. Overall, Mahli is just a beast. To put it simply, kicks goals, marks and runs despite being 185.5 centimeters tall. He's not scared and will go through anyone to get what he wants. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving me a like and just check out some of my other videos. I would really appreciate it if you want me to scout you next. Leave a comment.